oftentimes you want to reduce the concentration of something you have in a solution. We call that diluting something. So dilutions deals with the idea of when you want to bring a concentration down. You probably are mostly familiar with this from like playing organized sports where you get a big jug of water with a little pinch of Gatorade in it and you can barely taste the Gatorade. It's a very dilute solution. The equation for solving for dilutions is right here. Molarity times volume equals molarity times volume, meaning we're going to, if you'll remember from the molarity equation, molarity is moles over volume. So right here, molarity times volume equals moles. So the moles does not change, we're just changing how concentrated it is. For example, if you have 1 mole and 1 liter, that's a 1 molar concentration. But what if we add some more water? We pour another liter into this container here. Now we have 2 liters. But we still just have 1 mole of the solute, or 1 mole of the thing dissolved. Now we just have their concentration. So molarity and volume, these things are inversely related. As molarity goes up, the volume goes down. So, or as volume, I should say, as volume goes down, molarity goes up. As volume goes up, molarity goes down. So, for example, we do labs in chemistry, and so we order the hydrochloric acid in a high concentration. So we might have like 10 molar hydrochloric acid in the back room. But that seems a little too dangerous to give you guys to play with. And let's say I want to make a 0.1 molar solution, which is 100 times less concentrated. How would I do this? Well, my initial concentration is 10 molar, and we have some unknown volume. And so let's say I want to make a liter for you guys, which would be 1,000 milliliters. How much hydrochloric acid do I need? We just say, well, 10 molar hydrochloric acid times what volume equals the new concentration, which is 0.1 times 1,000. We solve for V1, and that's 10 milliliters of hydrochloric acid. If I have 10 molar hydrochloric acid, and I put 10 milliliters of hydrochloric acid into a solution that has a total volume of 1,000 milliliters, so it'd be 10 milliliters of HCl plus 990 milliliters of water, that gets me a concentration of 0.1 molar HCl. So again, this is your dilution equation. Molarity 1 times volume 1 equals molarity 2 times volume 2. Again, things to watch out for would be how much water you actually have to add, and I'll address that in the next one.